What's up, everyone? This is going to be a short video on how to make a vise attachment for your tube polisher. This helps a lot to cut down time. So yeah, this is my vise right here. I'm going to use 1/8 inch angle iron. So this is the angle iron already cut to the size of my vise. And then I've cut this little piece right here to weld onto the side like that. And then that's where we're going to attach the bolt to. And this is with the bolts and nut. We're going to weld that nut on there. It's my son right here, ready to weld. And this is what it looks like already welded. Alright, so I welded that to the angle iron that's going to go on the vise. And there you have it. This all took like 30 minutes, by the way. So you can take it out, boom, put it back on, and then put your tube polisher on there. Okay, so this is all done now. I switched out to an Allen head bolt so I can put a Allen key. I'm gonna cut it and then weld it onto the Allen head, so it's a little smaller. So you can, boom. If you want it up here, if you want, I'm probably just gonna leave it so it's straight. I can use it like that or however you want it. I feel like this is better than having so use this on a regular hex head bolt. Yeah, so let's give it a shot. I didn't finish all of it, but as you can tell right there, does a good job. And this is just, I bought these on eBay. I was having a hard time finding these, but they come in a 5-pack. This is what I use for stainless, and this is what I use for aluminum. But yeah. I'll put a link of these. And then this is just, I bought this off of Amazon, I think, but I don't know, I would recommend probably just buying the Vevor one. I'll put a link for the Vevor one too. I think they're like 120 bucks. But yeah, it saves a lot of time. I mean, I used to do it by hand, and that saves me a ton of time. Okay, and this is, I just painted it black. I was using a roll bar and chassis from VHT. So it looks a little nicer. But yeah, how it looks. Before I was just clamping the vise. I had a different vise that was facing, that you could face the other way, and I was just clamping this surface, but then I got this bigger one. But yeah, this is really nice because then the machine is out of the way. Before, this thing was like right here. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.